Kanaka greetings and namaste. Today we have come to the season finale of the Rain Project. The top 10 were given a challenge to perform their original songs in front of the judges, including our guest speaker from the US, Mr. Sam Kyles. But only 7 turned up. Let's hear their performances and the judges' feedback.
And while the judges were getting ready, we talked to the first performer.
So how are you feeling right now?
Kind of feeling nervous though. My song, I haven't even sang it to anyone. So I really want to expect more honest comments, like so they can help my song out. Every day people wonder what their lives will become. Sometimes they say that it's hard to do the things they really love, but it doesn't change the personality of who you really are. Don't be afraid to let it out. And if you got that fear in the way, stand your ground and say, I am stronger than this. Give me all you got, 'cause you got nothing in me.
Know what it is
To be fearless inside.
live out our dreams.
'Cause it doesn't matter what they say about you. You're fearless inside. You're fearless inside. You're fearless inside.
That was awesome stuff, man. Really love it. Is that your original tune?
Yeah.
That's cool. Very good stuff, man. I love it. Really like it. I'm like, it's to the point where I'm like, I want to hear the whole entire song because this sounds really good.
I commend you for your commitment. You've always delivered excellence every single time you get up on stage. So I wasn't expecting anything less. So good job.
Thank you.
It's like it's normal to be nervous, but then at the same time we have to, you really have to be courageous enough. You really have to be bold in order to deliver a very quality kind of performance. But all in all, thank you so much. That was really good.
Thank you.
I'm gonna miss all the Rain team because throughout the 12 weeks we're kind of like family now.
Baby, I can't imagine if it was real. It'll be a memory forever cherished. You have made my life a playlist of romantic songs, and somehow it's been spinning in my head on and on and on and on, on and on and on and on, on and on and on and on, ooh, on and on and on and on. Baby, I can't imagine if it was real. It'll be a memory forever cherished. Baby, I can't imagine if it was real. It'll be a memory forever cherished. Ooh.
When you switch from your chest voice, like your full voice, to your falsetto or your head voice, I think you need to work a little bit more on that. And apart from that, it's just beautiful. I really believed you. I'm so proud of you.
I've noticed that your diction has improved a lot from the very first beginning. When I told you to work on your diction, I can actually hear those words more clearly, and you're articulating it very well while you're singing.
I'd have to agree also with Elena as far as like just making sure that your performance is great, but matching it up with your expressions. Like I want to be able to feel the song, feel what you're singing, and if you can do that here, and if you can show us that, then man, it's all gravy from there. So, but awesome job.
My performance, hopefully it's gonna be good. I've trained a lot. I didn't have a full sleep a whole night. So let's see how it goes. बरसने दे बारिश में नाचे हम धरती से सावन की बूंदें जब भी आती है उसकी शिकायत करती है कुछ अपना दर्द सुनाती है बारिश 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 बारिश
Shamil, that was beautiful. Well, your vocals is definitely unquestioned, but then just without the instruments, I am unable to really measure your pitch against like those instruments. So so far a cappella, it sounds beautiful, but I can't wait to hear the whole arrangement to this song. And just one more thing, when you're singing, you're always looking down and you're not connecting to the audience at all. At the same time, I was waiting for a climax part in the song and I didn't get that. So I hope you can go back and work harder in that song and be a bit more creative and bring that back more whole. Thank you.
I love your tone. Your tone is awesome. I mean, I have no clue what you're saying, but but your tone is great. I would have to, agree as well. As far as pitch, just making it and connecting with us again.
Now please sit back and enjoy the one and only Sam Kyles.
You spin me round and round, you'll be mine in the end. She's playing hard to get, I play full outland. You spin me round and round, you'll be mine in the end. She's playing hard to get, I play full outland. You spin me round and round and round and round. I've got something you won't ever find in someone else, babe. So just let me be the one you come running home to, and I'm all yours and yours. I'm all yours and yours. I'm all yours and yours. You're mine.
See you after the break.